Hey everybody, this is a quick tease on a new Promaster 118. It's a 2025 I bought that I've converted. It's got a very different design in that I've got a custom couch on the floor that folds into a full-size bed, and so it's got three configurations, but rather than paneling, I kind of flush mounted. There's a Florida van. I flush mounted some birch plywood, stained it, and just some insulation against the skin, and then some exoskeleton kind of framing. This is a very heavy firewall in the back. It's got all my tools, but basically the configuration, and sorry it's kind of a mess, is I've got a decent sized fridge that's running 24/7, the air fryer, the microwave, RV 3500 BTU AC, which works well. Just some storage, and then I've got these bins I cut in half that I just mounted flush. I use this for dry goods, bread and whatnot, fruits. And then this is just my laundry. I've got the front passenger seat swivels. Now here's the kicker. I'm 6'2", almost 6'2", and I can stand completely up in this low roof van because of a giant opening I made. Huge, I think 32 by 28 opening, and that's actually the solar panel. I can get up top and show you that. But I wanted the van for a couple things. It wasn't just to be able to sleep, eat, and go to the bathroom here. Simple bucket bathroom. Hooks everywhere. Everything is stored up instead of below like most configurations. This is massive. I know it's heavy, but I made it heavy on purpose because I keep all my tools back here. 460 amp hour lithium, which is always at 100% because I've got alternator charging, and a massive 550 watt solar panel. It's kind of a mess right now, and I still haven't finished the back, but this is a sink that I just kind of like. I've got 5-gallon water supply. Sorry, I've got my towels here. 5-gallon water supply, 5-gallon gray water that I just empty out. And what I try to do is not go dirty here. This is mostly for rinsing stuff out so I can still reuse the water for washing stuff. That's the back of the RV, which vents out into a massive vent I've got custom, and that is that little fan, which is kind of like the same motor as a Cam Pro, will pull all the air out of here, and you'll feel air coming in through the massive vent in the front, which is an awesome feature. But the roof is a functional roof rack that's also, this is in the sun, a 550 watt solar panel. The roof rack itself is vented, keep the bugs out, but also I use it as a dual purpose thing. We'll just go here. You can see that I still have to paint it, but let me know what you think.